Fans slammed Wunmi Ajiboye as she clears the air about her alleged affair with MC Oluomo. Hello everyone, welcome to Sumiground TV. We've come again to give you another entertainment news. Please do what to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Nollywood actress Wunmi Ajiboye has been slammed by her fans over her explanation on her alleged relationship with MC Oluomo and his role in her marital crisis. The Yoruba actress had publicly embarrassed her estranged husband and father of her kids as she snubbed him at her mother's burial. Sumiground TV reported during the week that the actress laid her mother to rest in the ancient city of Oshogbo, Osun State in grand style, and after the event, she penned a long epistle to appreciate MC Oluomo on Instagram, while she only wrote a sentence to appreciate Segun Ogungbe. Refreshing your memory, this lover claimed that MC Oluomo was the reason behind their split, as he had fully furnished a new house for her, which made her leave her home. The blog claimed that Segun has since gone back to his first wife, Atinuke. This is the reason why Segun Ogungbe had a lukewarm personality at his mother-in-law's burial, and MC Oluomo took center stage. Taking to the comment section, many dragged the Yoruba star for abandoning her husband for MC Oluomo, while others blamed Segun for taking a second wife, despite having a good wife. Addressing the backlash on Sunday, Wunmi in an Instagram post debunked claims of being romantically involved with MC Oluomo. She described herself as a virtuous woman and would not allow her hard work, tenacity, and personality to rob her of her sweat. She noted how many keep tagging MC Oluomo as the man bankrolling her, which she has finally gotten fed up of. Despite her explanation, many did not believe her as they dragged her. One nurse, Mahmoud, wrote, "Abeg, I no wan talk because I hate nonsense. But make your mind dey judge you as you treat the man like slave for the party." One Adejoke wrote, "The father of my children got me. Now wow. God bless all man on earth, so no one will ride them with money." One Ololami wrote, "You go dey explain tire." One Da Obasam wrote, "We do hear oh. Now you sabi, plus now you get your life, so do whatever you like with it. Ina go dey alright last. One Aminat Babalola wrote, "Dem say na Lames be the main man, not MCO. One Kuti finest truth, you go explain tire. Either you are guilty or not, just the look. If they never call you Ashewo for this Nigeria, you never make am." One Ibironke Oladejo wrote, "I can't blame the man no. You sef no try. You know you sidelined your husband in that party. Baba has not received from the shame." In June, news made rounds that Segun Ogungbe and Wunmi Ajiboye had parted ways. According to Gist Lover, Segun could not fund Wunmi's lifestyle, hence why she resorted to having extramarital affairs. Now she has returned back to the street. Thank you for listening to us. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.